Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI. We're gonna start with Ethereum here on the 4 hours chart. We're gonna see what do we have, what we might expect next. So basically, we're still looking at our drop here toward the downside as a potential A, B, and a C here. Can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but this is a very far probability right now. I still need to finish this impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 here is a double 1 2, and we have a 3 4 and a 5, and then 4 and a 5. The final drop is still expected here for Ethereum at least to reach the $1,469 in a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This impulse is still open there for a wave 5 final move, or final low as well, before invalidation. So meaning the invalidation for this wave 1 is exactly there, I would say, because this is your 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is an A, B, and a C expanding flat there for a wave 2. Your invalidation is given over there, invalidation of bearish, which is exactly the I would say $1,721. Now basically this was also potentially a wave 4, but this wave 4 is still extending here, obviously, and we're pushing for something higher. Now if we match it or alternate it with wave 2, that is very understandable. The time of the wave 2 is still very acceptable, and even I would say the perfect time is reach for a wave 4. Even it can reach for a wave 2 here, or a Fibonacci 2 Fibonacci level. And basically this wave 4 is unfolding here in a potential ABC or WXNY. The ABC is the 5 waves here, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, wave B and a wave C. Your wave C is likely to be a diagonal here, where you might have 5 waves up again as an ending diagram. So we're looking here for this potential move here to be just like that, to finish a wave C in a wave 4. Now the WX and a Y, a W here, W and X and a wave Y can be finished, so be careful. This is a finished WX and a Y, meaning wave 4 can be finished at the stop. And that means we might simply drop the wave 5 directly toward the downside here. And this is also another arrow from there for a wave 5. Yep, so this is what I'm looking for Ethereum. Now we still have this wave 5, potentially to finish wave 3, 4, and a 5. Even there is another blue scenario here to finish all the count inside our red zone here. So we still have double for 5 even for Ethereum potentially here. I don't see yet anything bullish from there. I mean, if we are bullish, it is time, yeah, to push for a massive wave 3. If you are in a 1 2 here, the problem that this is a 3 waves, I cannot count it a 1 2 there. So if I dive in inside it, you can see that this is a zigzag and not a wave 1. That from here, of course, we comes up with the zigzags for a diagonal. Okay, and that's why this is a high probability there. So yeah, I would say very likely even to push downward very soon here, maybe one more high and then push down, then push high in case for a wave C, and then wave 5. Unless we take one more high and then we push directly toward the downside here for a wave 5 as well. That was it for Ethereum. For Solana, we're gonna take a look also at the 4-hour chart. Now Solana is a little bit more volatile here, but Solana is very clear that it is unfolding a wave 2 there for me, meaning a large ending diagonal, 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for a wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. The wave 5 is unfolding here as a potential zigzag ABC, and you have another zigzag ABC for wave 2, 1 2 1, and then 3 4 and a 5 to finish the whole structure in the blue zone as expected, because you cannot finish the last low with only 3 waves here. So very likely to finish in 5 waves ending diagonal. Now if we dive inside it here, we can see clearly that also this is a 3 waves where you are looking here for something as corrective, and that means of course this is your A, B, and a C unfolding over there. Another probability can be also the WX and a Y. If we want to take also a WX and a wave Y, your wave Y might take a little bit more time again. So you might see this scenario here for something bullish in case we keep ranging in this area and then dropping it down again for bearish. In case we are finishing this one-to-one Fibonacci level here with a wave C, we drop directly toward the downside. Okay, so this is also a potential scenario. So a little bit more high, maybe one-to-one, $80, and then $80 might be a key level here, definitely for something to retrace. Don't forget that 84 anyway is an invalidation for the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 anyway. I'm looking for a wave 2 here. I'm not so convinced in the impulse anymore. I'm looking here at an A, B, and a C finished, and we're looking here at a large 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for in Solana, guys. Yep. So next one, we have SUI. For SUI as well, we're gonna take a look here on the 4 hours chart. We are in our last drop here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your major wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is very close to be done and finished, but something is going on inside it here. So in case that we have finished, okay, it can be the case scenario for SUI, and it can start something to push for higher. But the problem is exactly at this stage here where you took the lowest low there. And yeah, I don't see yet a very strong signal of strength because also I see a 3 waves toward the upside. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C, wave A, B, and a C unfolding, or a W, X, and a Y again. So let's lay down this. So we have an W, X, and a wave Y, and a wave 4, meaning your wave 5, wave Y is an ABC finished, or you are in a large A, B, and a C here. The wave C is an impulse, and that means you're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, meaning this impulse. Knowing that the wave 3 problematic, very problematic, because your wave 3 has to be a clear impulse. Your wave 3 internally is overlapping invalidations everywhere, so it's a red flag. Be careful, guys. Can be the wave Y here and then pushing down again. Okay, so invalidation is still also the same 0.77. Don't forget the same as Solana. So we might be the case also for an ending diagonal. Yeah, don't forget that the bearish market start to be very tricky at the end. Okay, up and downs, a lot of psychology. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit, of course, our red zone and our targets as expected here. Yep, so that was it for Solana, SUI, and Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.